In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact HeroFX. Now, there's actually a few ways you can do this. The first one is inside your account portal or dashboard, go to the very bottom left, and here it says support. Click on it, and then you can create a new ticket, and you can go ahead and give it a title, the support agent language. You can then describe it, so just describe your issue. You can also drop different attachments, such as screenshots, in case that's needed, and click on submit. Now, that's one way to contact them. The second one is via this chat box over here at the bottom right. Click on it, and it's going to basically launch this AI assistant. You can talk to it in case you have any issues. Now, the third one, and you can reach support via that, is if you go to their official website and scroll to the very bottom, you'll be able to see their email, which is support@herofx.co, and you can email them to that mail, and then you can get in touch via that, and of course, get your issue solved. So that's how to do it. That's how to contact them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.